Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb over here at Darrell Waltz Buick GMC, sitting inside the Yukon Denali Ultimate because it's the only trim level that has this feature. Right here, you have the Bose speakers, Premium Performance Series, on the headrest, and that's both the driver and the passenger over there. So I'm going to be showing you how to use them and be able to set them up so you get optimal sound quality. Jumping right in, you want to be in the music, your music note here, so you just press that after you're at the home screen, and then bam, you're right there. Now I've got some music playing, but won't play it very long just for copyright issues. But you're going to press the gear with the music symbol up here. You've got several different options. Now in order to make sure your speakers work, you just turn on Bose Audio Pilot right there, and then you have your equalizer. We can change the bass, the mid-range, treble. We can move back, go to fade in balance, where you can change it anywhere inside of the vehicle that you choose. And then you have sound mode. I always pick center point because that gives the best overall sound experience for everybody inside the vehicle. Of course, driver is going to be for the driver and rear is going to be for the rear. And then you also manage favorites within here, so you can have your set pre-saves. But that's how you're going to be able to have the best audio. And I'm going to turn it up just for a second. And once again, it's really amazing and sounds phenomenal. Thank you for watching. I hope that helped out a lot. I'll see y'all soon.